Let me show you how to enable dark mode on Deezer. If you're someone who enjoys a dark screen on all of the platforms and on all of the apps inside your phone, let me show you the way that you turn this feature on. First of all, you need to head over to the profile section on the top left and head over to the settings icon on the top right. Through the settings of your Deezer's account, under preferences, you'll see the option called display. Now, as you can see, there are a few options that you can choose from inside of appearances. The three options are automatic, dark mode, and light mode. If yours is selected to automatic, which means it adapts to the phone's display settings. If your phone's display is also set to dark mode, it will be automatically set to dark mode as well. But if your phone is set to light mode, then this setting would not work. So for you, what you need to do is tap on the dark mode option and the entire interface of Deezer's will be changed from light mode to dark mode. You can always come back to this setting and change it however you want it. So this is the exact way that you enable dark mode on Deezer's. If this video did help you out, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And also make sure to turn on the notifications so that you get notified for more future videos.